Hi, today I'm going to tell you about a super cool Make a Shift college kit. Do you know someone, maybe your child, a relative, or a friend, is starting college really soon? Well, I have some must haves to give your college student support and to make him or her feel less stressed, more focused, and healthier, happier at home or in the dorms. Okay, so there is um, my favorite little kit called Make a Shift Kit. It's from Young Living, and of course, it's with essential oils. Why do I love essential oils? The ones from Young Living actually work to heal and help and focus. And they're nice and concentrated and compact, so it doesn't take up a lot of space. Plus, they're so versatile, they can help you for several different reasons, each one of them. Right now, I'm just going to highlight a few things that college students, their needs will be met with these oils. Okay, the first thing in this little bundle, it has four essential oils, small ones like this, and two rollers to help some needs. And this lovely little diffuser. Okay, so first of all, students can't go to class and have fun and be social when they're sick. And so this bundle includes Thieves Essential Oil. This is the wellness oil. It's also wonderful for diffusing to make your room feel fresh. So apply or put on in a diffuser, or even add a drop in coffee or make a tea with it. The next must-have, oh my goodness, for all college students is purification. It does just that. It purifies the air. Think of a cramped space with roommates and the dorms. It could be stinky, and sometimes it just needs some refreshing. This could even be good to take into the bathroom. Put a drop in any areas. But I love diffusing this to make things feel fresh. It's a blend with tea tree oil, lemongrass, and more that is just refreshing. I also use it, and teens still might have this problem for blemishes. You can put it directly on your skin. Purification is also kind of like a first aid oil, so it's also great just to have in case for any skin issues. Okay, next, I know college students get stressed, don't have enough sleep, or need help sleeping, and lavender is your go-to oil for that. Just the smell calms me down. So either applying this topically, maybe on the wrists, or diffusing, or putting some in your hand, rubbing, and making a scent tent can help calm down nerves with all the homework, all the social life, all the things. Now, when in doubt, when there's any ailment or issue, grab lavender because it probably will help. It's called the Swiss Army knife of oils. Okay, so we talked about purification, thieves, lavender. Oh, my favorite, peppermint. Peppermint has so many uses. I probably use it every day. It's always in my purse. College students need this. It is the homework helper. It helps you stay focused and motivated and energizes you. You know, we don't want our college student to be drinking coffee or energy drinks all night, but just by diffusing or even smelling or applying peppermint, it could really wake you up and open your sentence and help you focus. Also, it's great for breathing. So if there's any stuffiness, just smelling that could help. Okay. Next is Stress Away. I think the name says it all. It comes in a nice roller. I love putting on my wrist or behind my ears and just applying that all the time. It's a blend, like a tropical vacation of lime and vanilla. Girls and boys will love that. Okay, also the last oil in this bundle is another must-have for college students, and it is Deep Relief. Now, I remember those days having sore muscles from being on your computer all day, or just tension after long study sessions, maybe even having a tension headache. Deep Relief can really help. And I love that it's a roll-on. I also took weightlifting, some new exercise class. Maybe your college student is a college athlete. you need this. Oh, right now I need it. So I love Deep Relief. Okay, isn't that a great bundle? Your college student is making a shift, and that's what this is called, this little bundle of oils and diffuser, in more independence, being career focused, or moving away to college. And this is the bundle for them. Now, a couple other things that I think is so important is a clean space. Make it easy on your college student. One thing that is from Young Living that I love is this. You know what it is? It has a nice little metallic. It is Thieves Wipes. This is perfect just to wipe down the desk, wipe down the bathroom area, anything, and it's like a fast clean. And it doesn't have that harsh chemicals and Cloroxy stuff in it. Only natural things from nature that really do clean. So it has a nice lemon scent, that's all. And then you can buy refill packs for this. Now, I also recommend getting Thieves Cleaner because this is the concentrate. You can get a little cool spray bottle and it can clean all counters, stains on clothes, on the carpet, on shoes, it's kind of for everything. So that's handy. And on the go, Thieves hand sanitizer, perfect for the backpack. It comes in small one, purse sizes too. All right, that is my college kit with make a shift to new exciting things in college. I will link in the comments, in my caption, a shopping list for those things. And if you have questions or what was I missing for that college student? Now, I just love that this thing is, these products that I recommended are small, from nature, and it's going to keep your college student healthy and happy and create an inviting room or dorm that they want to go back to or friends will want to come to because it's clean, it's smelling nice, and it's not has any of those synthetic fragrances that give people headaches. All right, happy college, happy campus time, and I hope you help your college student, friend, or relative with this kit.